Imagine waking up to earn extra $100 in your bank account every day. This sounds so crazy, but it is not. And that is why in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your passive income hustle, which will pay you even while you are not working. Hello, welcome to my channel. And in this channel, I review smart ways you can use to start earning money online. And when we talk about passive income is not about you getting rich overnight, but rather it is about you setting systems that will repeatedly pay you because of what you have done before. So you do it once and you get paid over and over again. And at the end of this video, you will have clear and practical options which you can start building right now that will enable you start earning your $100 every day. So right away, I'll be talking about the 5 passive income hustle you can start right away. So I'll be calling them the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The first one on the list is digital product. The sales of digital product is one of the surest ways you can use to start making money online. And this digital product can be your ebooks, it can be CV templates, that is for young graduates who are looking for jobs, and it can be your digital guide. A lot of people, everybody in this world is looking for shortcuts. Everybody is looking for shortcuts, right? So your digital products can be one of the best shortcuts that they can get. And your digital product doesn't need to be overcomplicated, right? It doesn't need to be overcomplicated. It can just be a guide, be a budgeting guide, be it a daily planner guide and stuff like that, which people are looking for, right? So when it comes to your digital product, and when I say ebooks, don't say I cannot write, so I cannot create ebook. There's ChatGPT, there are a lot of artificial intelligence apps that can help you write your ebook. The little you have to do is to see how you can tweak it, remove some of those robotic terms and put it in natural tune so that people can easily relate with it. So if you're a student, you can create ebooks on how to pass your exam. If you're a gym instructor, you can create ebooks on how to have the perfect body size and stuff like that, how to grow your chest and stuff like that. So your ebook doesn't need to be complicated. And one thing when it comes to digital product is that you can use Canva, either their website or their app, create this your digital product, and you create it once and you continuously earn money from it. So you can just create it once, and in 10,000 years or as long as possible, you earn from it without actually touching or editing anything on it. So that is how easy it is when it comes to this passive income that is known as the sales of digital product. The second one on the list is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is simply, I made a video talking about affiliate marketing, how you can start your affiliate marketing journey. The affiliate marketing is simply you promoting your unique affiliate link. So you promote your unique link where someone gets to purchase a product using your link, and in turn you will get money. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, it simply involves the buyer. It simply involves the buyers and you and the seller. So affiliate marketing is a win-win situation. The buyers win, you win, and also the seller would win. And affiliate marketing is based on commission. So you don't have to own a product, you don't have to own the shop. All what is required from you is to sign up on affiliate platforms, affiliate programs, get their unique link, promote this your unique link either on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Google Ads, anywhere you think you can promote it. And in turn, when someone uses your unique affiliate link to make a purchase of a particular product which they want, and you will get to earn on commission on it. So let's say you are promoting a particular product where it costs just 50,000 naira, and someone gets to purchase 1 unit of it, and it is a 10% commission. You find out that you have earned 5,000 naira, and the more you promote, and that is how you are going to earn. I've already made a video talking about affiliate marketing, so just check for it and you get to find out how you can begin your affiliate marketing journey. The third on the list is known as content creation. So the third on the list is known as content creation. Content creation can either be on YouTube, it can be a blog, it can be on Facebook. So it can be basically even on Instagram. Content creation is the new oil well. Content creation is the new oil well. And if you can start content creation today, I promise you, you are going to earn money from it over and over and over again. You just, when it comes to YouTube, you just have to reach each of these platforms their monetization threshold or their monetization requirement. For YouTube, you just have to reach your 1K subscribers, your 1K sub, and your 4K watch hour. The moment you reach your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscribers, you will be monetized on YouTube, and you will continuously earn money when people come to view your videos. So basically, if you're watching this video up to this very moment, I am happy to break it up to you that I'm going to earn money because you have watched my video. So that is basically how content creation works. So the more people watches your video when you are monetized, that is how you are going to earn. And it doesn't just end that way. Even when you are not monetized, you can use content creation to earn money using what? Affiliate. So through content creation, you can use it promote affiliate to promote product using your affiliate link, and in turn you are going to earn while you are still waiting for your ability to reach the requirement to get monetized on this various platform, right? So that is basically how it is. The next one, which is the number 4, is print on demand, right? So print on demand, that is the number 4. Print on demand is simply you designing, uploading, and in turn you will get paid for it. So you can design that. So when we say print on demand, it can be t-shirts, right? It can be t-shirt, it can be cups, that is mugs, right? Basically anything that you can design, right? So all what you just have to do is to design this using Canva. You can upload it on Teespring, upload it on Redbubble, and when someone goes on this platform, understand, when someone goes on this platform and the person likes your design, the person buys it, right? The person is going to purchase it, and this platform known as Teespring and Redbubble are going to print it for you. So we have Printify also. There's another website that's known as Printify. They are going to print it for you and ship it to that person that wants it. And when they ship it to the person gets it, right? You are going to get your commission. So basically all what is required from you when it comes to print on demand, from the name print on demand, is that you just have to design, upload it on this platform. When someone buys it, this platform will take care of the printing for you, and in turn you are going to earn money just because you help them design it and upload on their platform, right? So that is basically how it works. The next and the last, which is not the least on the list, is investing. So we say investing. Although this one is going to cost you some money when it comes to investing, it can either be on dividends paying stock, it can be on dividends paying stock, so it can be on dividend paying stock, it can be on cryptocurrency, right? It can be on cryptocurrency, it can be on forex. So it can be basically anything that comes to investment. It can even be buying of shares, it can be buying of bonds and stuff, mutual funds and stuff like that. Although these ones are going to take much time, but one thing is that their payment is very, very consistent, right? So there's a consistent way which you are going to be earning your money, unless you are greedy and you go and invest all your money on forex. So that is basically how it works. Talked about digital products, I've talked about affiliate marketing, I've talked about content creation, print on demand, and also investing, right? So these are basically the 5 passive income hustles that you can start right away. Set up this system, and I tell you the truth, with the right promotion, you are going to continuously earn money even while you are sleeping. But here is the catch: making $100 a day on passive income does not happen overnight. But if you are committed on any of these passive income streams which I have mentioned in this video, in 6 months or 12 months, which is a year, you are sure of earning $100 every day, and I'm telling you for sure. So start with the one that is very easy for you. It can be affiliate marketing, it can be content creation, it can be selling of digital products. If you want me to go in depth on it, on how you can start this passive income stream, any of them, drop it in the comment section. If you find this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and also share this video to your friend so that they can come here and get value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue dropping helpful videos like this. And until I see you in my next video, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're a pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.